Welcome to 145 Rivendale Drive. This awesome 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with a 2-car garage, covered front porch, fenced backyard, as well as tasteful updates throughout inside. It's located in the Rivendale subdivision in Northeast Columbia, convenient to I-77, Fort Jackson, Killian Rd, as well as other Northeast area amenities. So we're out front. You can see the neighborhood has sidewalks on both sides of the street. You have a nice size 2-car wide driveway leading up to the 2-car garage, and nice stacked stone exterior facade as well. Covered front porch also as we enter. And then when you come inside, you'll notice the luxury vinyl plank floors that have been updated throughout the downstairs area. So the home has been pretty much completely updated with new lighting. You have neutral paint throughout as well, new fixtures, granite countertops in the kitchen and bathrooms as well. So as you come in here, again, you step into the living room or living or family room as you enter. So you have nice ceiling height, smooth ceilings, and a ceiling fan in here. Lots of natural light with the windows as well. And then you have some framing that sort of guides your eye into the dining space. So you have a dining room at the back left corner here, and it opens to the rest of the open floor plan main floor. So you have an additional eat-in dining area off the kitchen, but you can sort of use this space or configure it however you need to. Some people don't have a formal dining area or want to use the space for more living space, or however you want to have that laid out with the open plan is up to you. Kitchen also open. Again, you have the center island with a counter bar, beautiful granite countertops, sort of a light beige cabinets, and subway tile backsplash. You have recessed lighting in here as well, and you can also see the other sort of modern lighting fixtures that are really nice as well. You also have a sort of corner pantry in here, as well as the included stainless steel appliances. So there is a French door refrigerator. You have an above range microwave, smooth top electric range, and then in the island, the dishwasher as well. And then off of the kitchen, you have access to the garage on that side. Straight ahead, you have a coat closet. So this area sort of doubles as a laundry, mudroom, entry area, and then you also have conveniently placed a guest bathroom or half bathroom off of this area as well. We'll step aside so you can get a view of the vanity and mirror. Again, some nice updated lighting there if you can see that through the glare. And then the laundry room is full size. You have washer dryer connections side by side, and access to the garage, which is going to be dark, so we'll see if we can pump the light in here for you a little bit. And in here, again, you can see 2-car garage, pretty standard size, but that is a smaller mid-size SUV. And then right now for scale, just to give you an idea of the size, keep in mind this is a wide angle lens, so it does make things appear a little bit bigger than they are sometimes. All right, so we're going to go back through the main living area to access the stairs that are right off the front entry here. And you can see carpeting starts there. And you have a nicer carpeting in here. It looks like it has a bit higher wear durability. And off the landing here, nice space. You have a big closet. You also have this large, as you can see, sort of loft space or additional living space here. And a lot of light coming in from the south here, so it's going to be a little bit bright. Apologize for that. And then the master bedroom, you can see nice tray ceilings in here. Getting that nice updated ceiling fan, but a very large room. The LVP floors are continued in the bathroom, as is the granite from downstairs in the kitchen, as well as some nice lighting in here. So in here you have a walk-in shower, so a low curb shower with a subway tile surround, additional linen closet, and then a very nice size walk-in at the back end of the bathroom. Alright, and then we're just going to cycle around. So there's, again, is that closet. You have an additional bedroom here, so this will be sort of 2 of 3, excuse me, 2 of 4. They're all a pretty decent size. Nice size closet there behind. You have 2 sliding doors. And then next door, you have your full bathroom. And you have a nice sort of vessel sink, nice modern sink design and vanity, and a shower and tub at the far end. Another bedroom here. You have a nice window, sort of a window ledge, kind of seat. And then roughly same size closet as that other bedroom. And then last but not least, bedroom number 4, which is a pretty nice size as well. And then the closet is at the opposite end of this one, so tucked in the corner. So that does complete our tour of this home, 145 Rivendale Drive in Northeast Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.